Look at this. This is what we will do. Okay. Okay. Switch your cam off, please. Okay. Guys, we talk about a lesson from Tuesday 17.3 to Thursday 2 to 4. We was talk about fraction concepts. We talk about 7.5, which is fraction and mixed number on the number line. 7.8, it was talk about equivalent fractions. 7.9, the greatest common factor, fraction in simplest form, comparing and ordering fraction and mixed number, and fraction and decimals. Guys, what we will do today, we'll talk about 3 lessons, which is fraction and mixed number on a number line, equivalent fraction and greatest common factor. We will make just a revision. Guys, we didn't talk about anything or a new lesson. We will make a revision, and if you have any question about these lessons, we will discuss about it. Now, the next time, inshallah, we will talk about fraction in simplest form, comparing and ordering fraction and mixed number, fractions and decimals. And we'll start by chapter 9, which is talk about measurement, metric units for length, converting units of length. Now, let us start. First lesson, it was 7.5. It's a fraction and mixed number on a number line, how we can represent fraction and mixed number on a number line. Now, this is a number line. Can we place a fraction on this number line? Fraction, what does it mean, fraction? Fraction is representation of a piece of whole. A whole is 1. Fractions belongs from 0 to 1. It's a number in between 0 and 1. Guys, Muhammad, be quiet please and pay attention. Now, fraction, it's a number, it's in between 0 and 1. How can I represent it? Guys, we talk about fraction, which is a usual fraction, and we talk about it at the last time. Now, fraction at the number line, how many pieces on this number line? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So each part of these, it's called fourth. So this is 4 parts. The area in between, or the distance in between 0 up to 1, there's 4 parts. Each one is represent fourth. Muhammad, just a minute, I will answer to your question. Now, if we talk about 1/2 on a number line, that's mean I will divide the area or the difference between 0 up to 1 into 2 parts, like this. This is 1 part, and this is the second part. So we talk about half. Each of them, it's called half. And if we talk about third on a number line, that's mean I will divide the area or the place in between 0 up to 1 into 3 parts. This is 1/3, 2/3, and this is 3/3, which is whole. Guys, we say that if numerator and denominator are equal, that's mean we talk about 1. So 3/3, 2/2, 4/4, all of these numbers is represent 1. Fifth on a number line, by the same procedure, I will divide the area in between 0 up to 1 into 5 parts. So this is one part, which is fifth, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and this is 5/5, which is completely whole. We talk about whole. Guys, switch your cam off, please. Now, what fraction represent a point A? At the first, I will count how many parts we have in between 0 up to 1. Now, in this case, or in this question, there is 1 part, 2 part, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we talk about 8 parts. So the denominator, it will become 8. So always the denominator, it will represent how many parts we have at all in between 0 up to 1. Now, I will count to find where is A located. Now, there is one, 2, and this is the third. That's mean we talk about, or A, it's located up 3 of 8, which is 3 over 8. So it will become 3 over 8. This is the fraction we talk about it. Now, I will using number line or draw a number line to show each set of numbers, then ordering the numbers from least to greatest. Guys, before we start, look at the denominator. The denominator is 9. That means I will divide it, or there is 9 pieces in between 0 up to 1. This is 0, this is 0, and this is 1. So I will divide it into 8, 9 parts. This is 1, 2, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the last one, which is 9, which is represent 1. Now, I will represent so this is 9 parts. Now, Muhammad, just a minute. Now, where is it? 4 over 9. Where is it? I will count, or this is 2 over 9. Why? Because I'm counting 2 parts. This is the first one, the second. So this is 2 over 9. Now, where's 3 over 9? It will become here. I will count 1, 2, 3 parts. It will become 3 over 9. And 4 over 9, it will become, I will count 4 parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 over 9. So guys, this is representing fraction 2 over 9, 3 over 9, and 4 over 9 at the number line. Now I will ordering from least to greatest, guys. Remember that. We will start from least to greatest. From least to greatest. Guys, if you raise your hand, I will answer. Just a minute. اصبر علي شوي بس. Now, which is, or where is it the least fraction? Least fraction, it's closest to 0. If the number is close to 0, it will become less. The value of this fraction is become less than the other. So 2 over 9, it's the closest to 0, so this is the least fraction, which is 2 over 9. And next, 3 over 9, and the farthest, which is 4 over 9. So 2 over 9, 3 over 9, and this is 4 over 9. Okay, guys. Khalid? Yes, Khalid? Khalid Rami? Khalid? Do you have any question, Khalid? Khalid? It's okay. On. 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 It's okay. Zahir. Yes, Zahir.
Teacher, is this before 1 or 0 in the first line?
I can't hear you very well, by the way.
Is there the line, the first line, 1 or 0?
Where is 0?
يعني أول line يعني 1 أو هاي 0.
Just a minute. The first chart, it's 0, represent 0. In this is 0.
Okay, I thought in the 15 slide it become like 1.
This is you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, the first one always is 0. Right?
Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, thank you, Zahir.
You're welcome.
Okay. Yes, Faris?
Teacher,
Yes, Faris.
can we put 1/9?
Yes, 1/9, but the question didn't ask you to represent 1/9. 1/9, if you want to put it, it will become here. Look, 1/9, it will become here.
Okay.
Here, look at there. This is the fraction, or this is the number line we talk about, right?
Yes.
Now, what's the denominator? It will become 9 at all because there's 9 parts, right?
Yes.
So if you want to represent 1/9, it will become here. This is 1/9. Here, we talk about 1/9.
Okay. Thank
Done?
you. Yes.
But the question didn't ask you to represent 1/9.
Okay.
Okay, Faris, you are mostly welcome. Hamza? Yes, Hamza?
Teacher, I didn't raise my hand.
Hamza?
Teacher,
Yes.
I didn't raise my hand. But every time I get out, I don't know why.
No, you are in now. Never.
Like, I cannot see them. I cannot see.
You mean you can't see the share when I'm
Yeah.
share screen?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. I'm gonna try. Now you can see it.
Yeah.
It's okay. Any question, Hamza?
No.
Okay. Muhammad? Yes, Muhammad?
Sir, what should we count, the lines on the number line or the spaces in the between?
Sorry, I can't hear you very well, Muhammad. May you can ask me a question again?
What should we count on the number line? The lines of the number line or the spaces in between every line?
The spaces in between 0 and 1 to represent the
Okay.
fraction.
Okay, thank you.
You are mostly welcome, Muhammad. Okay, Turkey. Yes, Turkey.
Teacher,
Yes.
I can't see the PowerPoint slide.
طيب, now you can see it.
Yeah, now yes. Teacher, I have a question.
What is it?
Can we put 0 out of 9?
0 out of 9, which is the initial point we talk about, which is here, which is represent 0.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
It's okay.
What is the value of it?
It's 0.
0?
Yes.
Okay.
0.
Thank you.
Yes, you are most welcome. Omar? I think, yeah, wait. I'm sorry. Muhammad? Muhammad?
I'm Sim.
Yes.
Teacher, is the zero counted in the number line?
It's the initial point, which is 0. After it, you will start counting.
After it?
Yes. Are you Wasim?
Yes.
Okay, write your name correctly.
Okay.
Okay, Wasim. Zahir? Yes.
Teacher, I forgot to tell you why we will divide like what you said.
زاهر المايك مبين close كتير to your mouth. بعده شوي please.
Teacher, why we will divide like what you said?
Still I can't hear you very well زاهر. زاهر بعد المايك عن فمك حبيبي شوي.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, why we will put like why we will divide like what you said?
May you can write your question because I can't hear you very well. You can write it please.
Teacher, why we will divide?
You mean
Like-
why we write it over 9?
No, divide.
Divide?
Yeah, like before what you said.
Yes, يعني هلا what's the relation between divide and fraction you mean?
Yeah.
It's the same. If we say 2 over 9 and 2 divide 9, both the same meaning.
Oh, okay.
حبيبي زاهر.
Thank you.
You are mostly welcome. Omar? Yes, Omar?
Can you put on the third slide?
Okay, I will. This is you mean, which slide do you want?
This, yeah.
Yes.
Why there is here in 1 and 2 and 3 this in between, not on the
Here you mean, what is the
Yeah.
in between 1 and 0? This chart
Why?
and this is?
yeah.
Now,
Why
listen.
it's in between?
Okay. هلا, this is 0, right?
Yeah.
Just a minute, I'm going to make something to explain it for you. Now, هلا, at this point, this is 0, right?
Yeah.
And this is 1.
1.
Okay. Now, look at the denominator. What is it?
9.
So I will divide the area or into how many parts?
Into 9 part.
Between 0 and 1. Yes, this is 0.
Yeah.
This is we talk about, it's 0. And this is completely 1.
1.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Represent how many parts we have in between
No.
1.
1 part.
Again, this is 1, meaning this is the first part in between 0 and 1. 2, the second part in between 0 and 1. 3, it's the third part in between 0 and 1. This is what I mean by 0 and 1 and 3 and 2.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
It's okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, Omar. زيد أبو طاحون.
أستاذ
Yes.
اليوم عندنا هوم ورك.
Every day.
أوكي.
Yeah.
لما ناخذ الدرس نعمل الهوم ورك تاعه صح؟
إن شاء الله. Yes. Guys, زيد ذكرني بشيء. Guys, إحنا عم نبعث لكم الواجب إلكتروني. Okay, so please solve it and only. ما في داعي ترجع على البراكتس بوكلت تحل وتصور وتبعث لنا. Because we make it electronic. تمام؟ يعني بتقدر تحله بس عن طريق اللينك اللي بنبعته إحنا في الواجب. Only that's it. Solve it. And
بعرفش أبعتها.
sorry.
بعرفش أبعتها.
هلا على الاي سكول مش احنا بنبعث لكم الهوم ورك.
أنا بعرف.
It's as a link. Go inside. يعني like this is guys. Look at me. Listen. Hi to. Just a minute. I want to show something for you. Guys, this is what I mean. If you open the link, we send it via eSchool. This is the questions. Guys, this is the homework. So solve it only. After you finish, make send. Only that's it. Okay, Zaid? That's what I mean. Okay, so no need, go to practice solving a question.
لك إياها بعد.
Then take a photo to send it to me again. Just solve this only.
عملته.
Okay. Yes, Zaid, do you have a question?
No.
Okay.
Got to remove my hand.
Okay. Wasim?
Teacher, I was at the last day of school before we didn't go to school. I wasn't here. I was absent. The homework books were with you. Now how do I solve it?
بس احنا اعطيناكم الكتب حكينا انه you can come to school, your father or mother, and take your books, all of your books.
Really?
Yes. Never mind. We send it. We send the homework electronic. Okay, via link. You have it at eSchool.
Yes.
You can get inside and solve it.
Thank you.
Most welcome. Omar?
Teacher, I don't know from where I open this that you open it now.
I think you have school eSchool ID, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, open
I
it.
don't know from where.
You open it at math homework. You can find this link.
Okay, I will open it now.
Okay, that's it.
Math homework
Yes.
prepared.
Karam?
Teacher, I sent you my homework. Did you receive it?
I received all the homework, Karam.
Okay.
But now you can just solve it via the eSchool only. That's it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Zahir.
Teacher, did you like invite us for like like you open it?
Again.
Like, did you invite us from the eSchool from the like what you opened the word from like Mayar solving? Like
Yeah, you mean the homework?
yeah.
Okay, we send it via link. Open it, solve it. That's it.
بس يعني مرات هيك ما تطلع لي بس هاي بس يعني بفتح يعني بروح على الباوربوينت بفتحها.
في باوربوينت بتكون الباوربوينت في الدروس المحضرة. Okay, go to homework. You can open it. You can find it.
Okay.
You are welcome, يا زاهر. Yes, Muhammad. Muhammad.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. You have any
So
question?
the link which you opened right now, the PPT press PowerPoint
No,
presentation.
there is another one. It's just for the homework. If you open it, you will have this screen.
Okay.
Like this, I mean. Okay. Like this screen. You will
No,
Yes.
I don't have this. I don't have anything a little also close to like this. Not
You
even a
have-
little close.
at the homework row, Muhammad. You can find it.
I checked it. I did not get it.
طيب, I will see what will happen.
I just now only you were talking, and I checked it. I could not find it.
We didn't send it today. I'm talking about the previous time.
I know it's on previous long time ago on 2nd or 1st April you had sent this, but I still didn't get it the same way you're showing.
You can find it at homework, Muhammad, right?
Teacher, I have already opened the homework links you have sent me.
Yeah.
I can still not find it over there. It's not there.
You do it now or at the last time, I mean?
I did it before only. I'm done with the homework, but now if I also open, it will not show the homework that you're showing us.
Okay, I will see, Muhammad.
It comes something different.
Like what?
1 minute.
Muhammad, just that's it. You will have a link, click it, open, it will become like this page. You can solve the question and the result will become, or it will check automatically.
I didn't get any link same like that. No link.
At homework, you didn't find it?
No, I just now also checked it. I did not find it.
Okay, I will see, Muhammad. Never mind.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. Okay, guys. Yes, Karam?
Teacher,
Yes.
why I can't write my name in the online homework?
You can't write your name?
Yes.
Okay. Never mind, because it will arrive. Never mind.
Okay. And why in يعني beside every question there is 0 points.
Never mind, Karam. Never mind.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Let us go back. Yes, Zaid. Okay, guys, just a minute. I wanted to continue our lesson. Then you can ask me about anything. Okay, this is it. It was the first lesson. Now, fraction and mixed number on the number line. How can we locate a mixed number on a number line? Guys, we say that at the first, look at this question. Locate points for 2 and 1 over 7, 1 and 5 over 7, and 13 over 7 on number line, then order them from least to greatest. At the first step, I will change each mixed number into improper fraction. Guys, we say that, and you know, how can I represent or rewrite mixed number to improper fraction? So suppose that 2 and 1 over 7. What is the denominator? It's 7. 7, I will multiply it by 2, then add it to the numerator. So 7 times 2, it's 14. 14 plus 1, it will become 15. And the denominator, it will become the same, it will not change. The second one, it's 1 and 5 over 7. By the same procedure, I will multiplying denominator by the whole. We have 7 times 1, which is 7 plus 5, it will become 12 over 7. Guys, if you look at the fraction, I mean the results here, the numerator, it's more than denominator. And we say that in this case, it's called improper fraction. Improper fraction, which is the fraction, numerator more than the denominator. And 13 over 7, it's written as improper fraction directly. Now, I will represent this fraction at the number line. Guys, what's the denominator we have? The denominator at all, it's 7. So I will divide the area in between 0 and 1 into 7 parts. From 1 to 2, 7 parts. From 2 to 3, 7 parts. Now, look at there. This is 1. This is 1. And this is 0. How many parts we have in between 0 and 1? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. And we say that 7 over 7, that's mean we talk about 1. Now, continue. From 1, I mean up to 2, there is another 7 parts. Now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. From 2 to 3, 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, the first fraction, I will represent it, which is 2 and 1 over 7. 2, look at the whole parts, it's 2. So this fraction, it will become, or this mixed number, it will become in between 2 and 3. Why? Because the whole part in this fraction, or this mixed number is 2. So we talk about fraction or mixed number in between 2 and 3. 2 and 1 over 7. 1 over 7. 1 over 7. So after 2 by 1 over 7, it will become here. This is a fraction we talk about. Now, 1 and 5 over 7. Right, whole parts in this mixed number, which is 1. So it will become in between 1 and 2. 1 and 5 over 7. So after 1, I will count 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fraction 1 and 5 over 7. This is what we talk about. The last one, which is 13 over 7. It's an improper fraction. So I will count 13 parts now. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead, continue. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this is 13. So this is a fraction we talk about, which is 13 over 7. Now I will ordering this fraction from least to greatest. Remember that, least to greatest. Least, which is the closest to 0. What's closest to 0 from these 3 fractions? Right, it's 1 and 5 over 7. It's the smallest. Crocodile will eat the bigger. Then 1 and 6 over 7, which is 13 over 7. And the last one, which is the greatest, it's 2 and 1 over 7. Guys, now I will ordering and then ordering this fraction. Zahir, just a minute حبيبي. اصبر علي شوي بس. I will ordering this fraction from least to greatest. From least to greatest. Guys, now it's 2, 3 over 10, 1 and 4 over 10, and 12 over 10. Look at the denominator. What is the denominator? Which is 10, 10, 10. So at all, I will divide the area in between 0 and 1 into how many parts? Into 10 parts. Now, look at there, count with me. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 over 10. This point, which is 10 over 10, which is completely 1. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So this is another 10. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Guys, so always we will divide it according to the denominator. Look at the first one. It's 2 and 3 over 10. Because the whole part in this fraction is 2, so this number, it will locate it, or it's in between 2 and 3. So after 2, I will count how many parts? I will count 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So at this point, it will become 2 and 3 over 10. Now, 1 and 4 over 10. This is 1. So this fraction, it will become in between 1 and 2. So, because it's in between 1 and 2, I will count after 1 by how many? By 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fraction we talk about. And the last one, which is 12 over 10. Now I will count from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is, where is 12 over 10? Look at there, guys. This is the fraction we talk about it. Now I will ordering from least to greatest. Least closest to 0. So we talk about 12 over 10. Then 14, or 1 and 4 over 10. And the last one, which is 2 and 3 over 10. Okay, guys. Yes, Muhammad? Yes, Muhammad? Muhammad, do you have any question? Muhammad?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Muhammad? Muhammad, I can hear you. You can answer. You can ask me if you want. Muhammad? It's okay. Zahir? Yes, Zahir?
Teacher, and can you go back to slide?
The previous one?
Yeah.
Guys, please switch your cam off. Okay, this slide you mean?
I mean, Sana.
This one?
No, up. Like when كيف من وين اجت 13 يعني زي نروح فوق
This.
مش no like
Okay. This one.
like a step one you're right, like step one.
Here you mean? This one?
yeah يعني كيف من وين اللي اجت 13 يعني على 7.
13/7 هذا اصلا الكويستشن اعطاني اياه 13/7.
Okay, and why and how I don't understand the step one, like كيف هيك جواب 15 و 12 I don't understand.
It's a mixed number. I will change it to improper fraction. How can I convert it from mixed number to improper fraction? Denominator times the whole parts plus numerator. 7 times 2, it will become
7 times 2 equals 14
plus 1.
and equals okay 15.
Yes.
Now I understand.
It's okay. Faris?
Teacher,
Yes.
how can we know how many parts should we put?
If you look at the denominator, you will know.
Like how? Like you said there's 1, 2, 3 parts. But how did you
look
know?
at this? Look at this question. Now, what's the denominator in this question, Faris?
7.
So I will divide the area in between 0 up to 1 into 7 parts. From 1 to 2, other 7 parts. From 2 to 3, other 7 parts. That's it.
Okay, thank you.
You are mostly welcome. Muhammad? Yes, Muhammad?
Teacher, what do we need to keep the denominator? Like in the previous on the number line, we have 2 1/7. So why do we need to keep 15/7?
Wait a minute. This is your question, right?
Yes.
Okay. You mean why it's 1 and 1/7 and there is 8/7? This is your question, Muhammad?
Yes.
It's the same number, the same value, but it's according to the question. What's the question give you?
Okay.
Okay.
And one more question I had.
What is it?
Why do we need to make the number line up till 3 when it says only 2 1/7?
It's
We can
according.
make it like
Listen,
2
listen.
2/7.
Okay. Now look at the whole parts here, which is 2. Here 1. If you want to write it this as, it will become 1 and 5/7 or 4/7 or 6/7, however, right?
Yes.
So the greatest number do you have at all in this part? So what's in this fractions? I mean, what is it? It's 2. That's why I'm writing it until 3.
So why can't we just write it like till 2 2/7?
And if you write it to the last step, which is 3, it's wrong.
Yes. Why it is so?
It's not. We write it a whole, Muhammad. Then we divide it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
That's it. You are most welcome, Muhammad. Turkey. Turkey.
تيتشر
Yes.
الأسبوع الماضي كان الهوم وورك حليته ما قدرت أبعته.
Turkey, it's electronic. Via e-school, you can solve it only. I will see the results. انك توصلني بس الريزلتس. It's okay.
بقدر احل مرتين بالمتر.
اوكي تيتشر، بس بقدر احله وابعته كمان مرة اونلاين.
هلا اتس اوكي بس انت بتحلوا تبعته اونلاين مره ثانيه ليش؟ خلص انت عم بتحله الكتروني وعم توصلني الريزلتس انا.
خارجي.
انا حليته خارجي برا، ما كنتش اعرف كيف ابعته اونلاين.
هلا مش مشكله، هلا انت بتقدر اتس اوكي نيفر مايند، بس بتقدر تبعته. هلا انت بتقدر تحله الكتروني صح؟ خلص اتس اوكي اتس انف.
اوكي ثانك يو.
يا موست ويلكم تركي. وسيم سوري عمر I think. عمر.
Teacher, if we I do it in the booklet. I don't know how to do
Guys,
on electronic.
من اليوم خلينا نعمله الكتروني خلص. اوكي.
I don't know how.
بتلاقيه موجود اللينك على الهوم ورك اللي موجود في الاي سكول. احنا عم نبعته.
I will see now.
It's okay عمر.
Okay, thank you.
You are most welcome. عون. Yes عون. 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 Guys لما تدخل please write your name and get inside by your name. أي واحد مش داخل باسمه راح أعمل له kick out. زيد. زيد أبو طاحون. يعني please ادخل باسمك واعمل switch off your can please. خالد. Thank you guys. هون في rules لازم نشتغل عليها please. خلينا متعاونين مع بعض. اوكي. عون. اوكي. وسيم.
Can you go back to the PowerPoint?
Okay, I will. Yes, وسيم.
Up, more up.
You mean this question?
Yes. Can you make the
13.
can you make an improper fraction to mixed number?
Yes.
How?
Now you will make divide 13 divided 7. Okay. The answer it will become the whole parts, remainder numerator, and 7 it will become denominator. It's okay.
Yes.
You are most welcome. Guys, at the end of this session, please write your name again at the chat or send dot. Okay. عشان ناخذ حضور وغياب مرة ثانية. And if you write, you can leave the meeting. Write your name, guys. Hurry up, please. Wasim, do you have any question?
No.
That's okay. Write your name, please, guys. Hurry up. If you write your name, you can end meeting. You're most welcome, Rayyan. Yes, it's okay. Amar, do you write your name? طيب. Okay, guys, have a nice time. Bye bye. Thank you, Khalid. Abdurrahman, why you didn't write your name? Abdurrahman Agha? Abdurrahman, why you didn't write your name? Write it. Thank you, Ad Turki. Thank you, Zahir. Bye bye, Wasim. Okay, guys, have a nice time and bye bye.